is Paola G. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make a delicious chocolate Play-Doh. Then we're going to use that recipe to decorate some Harry Potter wands. So if you really want to know how to make them, come with me and let's check the ingredients.
The next day.
Bonk, 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 bonk. Bonk, 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 bonk.
I hope that you really like this video, and if you're not subscribing to my channel, go and click that red button. Also click the bell if you want to receive notifications every single time that I upload a video. Don't forget to check the description box below for more info, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye!
Thank you.